Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts. So as you know, there is no proper setting or straight method to disable YouTube Shorts. So simply what you need to do, just go to your Play Store and download this application Blocker Hero. So just open it. So now click on agree and continue. So here you can click on skip. Here you can click on turn on and Blocker Hero turn on. Click on OK. Now go to skip. Now here you can see block YouTube Shorts option is available, and there are multiple options also available. So just you have to turn it on. So when you turn it on, then you can move to YouTube. So here you can see no shorts available here.